Hello to my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, IT Next. And today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word document. Okay. Do you need to add a watermark to a document in Office? Here are 2 ways to complete the steps and the instructions to remove it. Click the Design tab. In the Page Background section, click the Watermark option. Select one of the confidential watermark choices. O confidential. O do not copy. Select one of the disclaimers watermark choices. O draft. O sample. Move down to find Custom Watermark. Click the Custom Watermark option. Select the Text Watermark option. In the text box, type the text as you want it to appear in the document. You can even change the font and size if you wish. Use the color drop-down menu to change the color of the watermark. Click the OK button. Once you complete the steps, the text you entered will be displayed as the watermark for the Microsoft Word document. As you see it has applied in the all pages. Let me zoom out. You can see the watermark behind the text in the documents. If you want to remove this, just click here, and then select Remove Watermark. Done. Now let me show to you how to use image as watermark. To set a custom image as a watermark in Word, use these steps. Click the Design tab. In the Page Background section, click the Watermark option. Click the Custom Watermark option. Select the Picture Watermark option. Click the Select Picture button. Select the source to import the watermark picture. Here click on Work Offline. Now find the photo that you want to use. Click the OK button. After you complete the steps, the custom image you selected will appear as the document's watermark. I hope you have understood this simple video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and even leave a comment. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.